Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to combine lemon juice and olive oil for amazing results. Let's get into it, shall we? Drinking a mixture of lemon juice and olive oil can provide you with lots of vitamins and health benefits. Keep reading to find out more about how they work and how you should combine them. Nowadays, lots of people are turning to alternative medicine. Some natural remedies aren't as effective as traditional medicine, but they don't have as many side effects either. Alternative treatments, such as combining lemon juice and olive oil, provide lots of health benefits and are very accessible. Even though natural medicine isn't a cure-all, it can help significantly reduce your symptoms. One of the natural ingredients we often hear about is olive oil. Not only is it a healthy fat, but it's popular for its versatility in cooking and its high nutritional content. A mixture of lemon juice and olive oil creates a powerful home remedy that provides tons of nutrients. It can also help improve several diseases and prevent complications. Here are just some of the benefits of combining lemon juice and olive oil. Helps fight constipation. Taking this mixture at breakfast time is a great option. Lemon juice and olive oil are great at helping treat constipation and digestive problems. On the one hand, olive oil is a natural laxative. On the other hand, though, lemon juice has anti-inflammatory properties and helps promote healthy bowel movements. Try this natural remedy if you're dealing with gas, abdominal discomfort, or acid reflux. Encourages detoxing. Both lemon juice and olive oil have detoxifying properties, which help cleanse your body. Olive oil contains lots of healthy fats, which are great for regulating the lipids in your blood. This means they can slow down plaque formation in your arteries. Using this remedy on a regular basis helps control high levels of bad cholesterol. It can also increase good cholesterol and help manage your triglycerides. Taking lemon juice and olive oil is also a great natural way of taking care of your joints. Not only are they loaded with antioxidants that minimize oxidative stress, but this mixture also helps your body get rid of toxins. Helps reduce abdominal fat. This mixture isn't a fat burner like some other natural remedies. However, using it as a supplement can certainly help you get rid of excess weight. The properties in both lemon juice and olive oil help both your liver and your gallbladder. These are two of the biggest factors when it comes to healthy digestion of fats and increased metabolism. These ingredients also contain essential fatty acids that help satisfy hunger and provide diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. They also help reduce the number of other remedies you need to use. These fatty acids metabolize the fats stored in your abdomen, which also aids in reducing your risk for heart problems. This remedy is only meant to complement your diet and is not a major source of nutrition. You shouldn't drink more than a spoonful per day. If you take more than that, you might experience negative side effects. Ingredients: half a tablespoon, 8 grams of olive oil. Half a tablespoon, 5 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. Instructions: combine the lemon juice and olive oil. Drink the mixture half an hour before breakfast. You can take this remedy every day. To get the most benefits, take it at least 3 times a week. Not only are these ingredients very common, but now you know all the amazing health benefits they can provide. So what are you waiting for to start taking this fantastic natural remedy? If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.